Hi guys, welcome. Let's get right to it. Currency expectations for the coming weeks. But first, let me talk with you for one moment off script. First, the channel's membership. They are planning a streaming service that will be bigger than YouTube. And YouTube has over 122 million views a day. And if you think those geniuses who took over my home state, California, are not planning a massive growth in the streaming industry, you would be wrong. You find out these investments when you are a channel member, when you join the channel's membership. Plus, you can tap into over 100 videos and learn about micro investing, how to grow your money, how to manage small investments and turn them into big paydays, taxes, and even how to protect your currency profits. Now, the second thing is buy gold. At $3,392 an ounce on August the 4th, well, yes, that was yesterday, you will learn what is expected to increase in today's currency report. There is a link in the description and receive a free monetary gift. Fund your account with $100 and add $10, $20 a month to grow your gold account. The best part is, after you reach an ounce or two, have your gold shipped to you. Crypto is set to double in price. There is an article on the channel's blog explaining why this may be happening and what to do right immediately after the surge. Guys, get with it. There are so many distractions. The more distractions there are, that means the more things they are trying to hide. With all this static energy in the air, use it to your advantage. This is the time to horn in and focus on your assets. Yes, of course, we all want to look at the Epstein files and everything else that's happening, but just remember, they're not going to tell you any more than they want to. And they're always figuring out ways to manipulate us. So since you already know that, take the time and turn your energy inward. This is the time for you to set yourself up for massive growth.
Most analysts expect the U.S. dollar to stay under pressure, weighed down by growing fiscal concerns, erratic trade policies, and rising odds of Federal Reserve rate cuts this fall. Because of this, several emerging market currencies, especially high-yield ones like the Brazilian real and South African rand, are likely to maintain or extend gains versus the dollar over the short to medium term. Asian currencies such as the Chinese yuan, Indian rupee, Korean won, and Thai baht are also expected to see modest appreciation. So, when we talk about major currencies, sterling or GBP has already been on the rise. It's been recently trading around $1.33 after some weak jobs data from the U.S. Looking ahead, there might be more gains, depending on the policy signals from the UK Central Bank. This includes the expected rate cuts by the Bank of England. Meanwhile, many forecasts are showing the euro, or EUR, strengthening toward around 1.15 to 1.20 per dollar in the coming months. This shift is happening as investor sentiment starts to turn away from the U.S. This information comes from sources like BNP Paribas, Wealth Management, JP Morgan Chase, and Business Insider. Now, turning to gold, analysts are generally feeling bullish over the near term. Citibank has actually raised its 3-month target to between $3,300 and $3,600 per ounce. They're projecting a move to around $3,500, driven by concerns over U.S. growth, inflation, and the rising probabilities of Fed rate cuts, which are around 81%. Auto forecast models are also suggesting that gold could rise by 1 to 2% in the next week and reach between 3,390 and 3,460 within 7 to 10 days. Analysts are citing ongoing geopolitical tensions, central bank buying, especially outside the West, ETF inflows, and weak labor data in the U.S. as key drivers of the rally on gold.